Hi guys, welcome to my channel. This is another collaborative video with FLORA Fine Food brand. All information about them below in my info box, also all ingredients. We are gonna use the wheat semolina pasta number 34. I'm gonna be using white glazed, cherry tomatoes in tomato puree, baby artichoke, fresh cherry tomatoes, avocado, parsley, onion, and green peppers. And here I have the cooked pasta and I'm adding it in a bowl. And then I'm going to add the rest of the ingredients like onion, green pepper, cherry tomatoes, and parsley. And guys, let me open the baby artichokes in water because I want to show you how they come. If you see, they are in water, only in water, and you can add them directly to the salad or eat with your favorite dressing. They are delicious, guys, and not salty. In a small bowl, I will add the cherry tomatoes in puree, stir a little bit, I will add the generous white glaze. This glaze will give a bit of sweet to the tomato puree, and the dressing will be between sweet and citric. And I'm gonna stir a little bit and I will add my new dressing to the salad. And finally, we are gonna be adding the avocado. Guys, don't worry, you can replace all ingredients, but I recommend all products that I'm using today by FLORA. And here you have our delicious spring salad, and don't forget to check it out, the FLORA brand information below in my info box. Please subscribe, ring the bell, thumbs up, and she's Candy, my coton de Tuliar. She's my partner in crime every Wednesday with my recipes, and she has her own videos all Saturdays. Stay tuned. See you next time. Bye bye.